everyone, today I have an unboxing on the MGC. Here we have the new solar lube. I'll definitely be making a video on this, but just not right now. So here is the real deal, the MGC. I'm so excited about this. I've heard people like Cuban Coated say that this is like the best pipe scraper on the market, and it should be like $1 million.
$1 million.
So I'm just gonna open this. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna put the solar lube away. So I'm really not sure how to do this. Oh, okay. Oh, nice foam. Okay. Cube. Rings and washers. You can easily see there's a lot of lube in the plastic wrap. I'm just gonna move all this stuff away. And let's get into it. Too hard to open. Okay, so let's just get into first turns. But first off, I can feel the cube is not that heavy for a magnetic cube. And this cube is only like $15 for pre-order. The shades are pretty nice, so I'll just get into the first turns. So it's really sandy right now, but I'm sure it'll go away after setting up and breaking in. I have to lube it with some Liquid Soap, D&M, and some of my new solar lube, which I'm really excited about. But yeah. So I'm really liking this right now. It's not bad. It feels kind of like a Volkswagen out of the box. So yeah. For setting up, you still liked it. I would definitely recommend this cube. I really like this cube. The magnets aren't really that strong, which are a pretty good thing. This cube is pretty quiet too. But yeah, I might as well just try the solar lube on this right now. I'm just gonna open up. It says 4 drops, so I'm gonna do 4 drops. Here's 1, 2, 3, and here's 4. Whoa. Okay, so it did make the cube a lot smoother, but it didn't take the sandiness away, because the sandiness is going to go away with lubing. I mean breaking in, but yeah. So I'm not sure if this cube is going to be my main. It's probably going to be my main. It might be my backup main, but my Volk Power M is not doing as well as it was before. One of my yellow side, the yellow side is not doing very good on my Volk Power M. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to see if this can be my main, because it's feeling a little blocky right now. I'm not sure why, but that's probably just an out of the box thing. So yeah, that's basically it for the MGC unboxing and kinda the solar lube unboxing. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm really close to 80 subscribers. I'm at 79 at the time of recording this video. But yeah, bye everyone.